Hello everyone, welcome back to Area Blog once again. So in this video we are going to learn about the most important topic that is virtual environment. And so have you ever installed a Python library for one project and find it like that is messed up with another project? So don't worry, the solution is virtual environment. And in this video we'll learn what they are, why we need them, and how to use them with the VENV or PIP-ENV, right? So the question is, what is virtual environment? So a virtual environment is like a separate workspace for Python project. So think of it as a box that contain its own Python installation and its own library this way, and different project can use different version of libraries without clashing with each other. Without clashing with each other means, let me explain with example. Suppose you are working with project A and project B in a Python in one system, and you need for project A you need Django version 3.2, and for the project B you need Django version 4.0. So without virtual environment, this would be good. This would be going to be very hectic. And if you use virtual environment, that is going to be a very simple. And so the question is, why do we need it? So, so the first thing, it helps you to avoid conflict between different project dependency. And the second thing is, it keep your project isolated and organized. It keeps everything separate. Like every version of the library, every dependency, whatever you used, it keep isolated and organized the project. And it is easier to share with your friends and colleagues using the requirement.txt file. And you can use you can run or you can use your program anywhere. So let's create our first virtual environment using venv. So open your terminal or command prompt. Now we are in this folder, that is I created a Python file for this tutorial series. So what we'll do, we'll type Python -m venv my env. So this create a folder named my env, which is our virtual environment. So let's enter this. Here we go. So we have created our virtual environment, that is my env. Now the question is how we can activate it. So if you are going to use window, so you have to type my env /scripts and then activate this. Activate. Say command not found because I am using Linux. So for the Linux, what you have to do, source my env, that is virtual environment name, bin activate. See, so it's say my env. This means you are inside your virtual environment. So first we have created our virtual environment. Now the question is how we are going to deactivate it. So for the deactivating, you have to write deactivate. See, here we are outside the virtual environment. Now let's move to the second one, that is pip-env. So what we'll do, we'll install pip-env. So what we'll do, we'll create pip install pip-env. Now we're creating the virtual environment using pip-env. See, so it is installing. Now we have created our virtual environment. And what it does, this does two things. So the first one is to create a virtual environment automatically. Install the request library inside it. Now we have to enter into the environment. So let's clear this first. And what we'll do, we'll just type pip env cell. Right now you can see it here, the Python, it's saying Python, and we are inside the virtual environment using the pip env. Right now what we will do, so we will just exit this, exit. Now we are outside the virtual environment, right? So today we learn about Python virtual environment, why they are important and how to use them with venv and pip env. From now on, whenever you start a new project, make sure to use a virtual environment to keep things clean and very very organized. So if you found this helpful, hit like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you into the next one. Thank you.